Good evening, everybody. Hellcat Granny here. Look, it's raining. We have rain, finally. We have some more rain here in Lubbock, Texas. It is Sunday, May 21st of 2023, and we have a little bit of rain. Awesome. I'm waiting for my automatic windshield wipers to turn on, and they don't seem to be. Maybe I need to turn them on myself, which I will, I guess. So, I hope everyone's had a great weekend. I've had a good weekend. We had a short car meet here at Drug Emporium's parking lot for a little bit with my car club. Maybe you can hear that Hellcat whine. The rain just now started. And it's a light rain, which is what we need. We need a lot of light rain so it can really soak into the ground. We've been in extreme drought. We've had some rain recently. When was it? I guess it was several weeks ago. We certainly need more. There's some flashes of lightning around. Don't know how long this rain will last. I hope it kind of goes on most of the night. I am driving Big Mama, the TRX. This is great weather for her. And of course right now we have the water and the lights, and so it reflects off the water, the street, so it makes for bright videos. I like that. I like the contrast of the light and dark. Let's see, I remember back when I was taking a few college courses, and we studied art, and I really liked Rembrandt, because he did such major contrast between light and dark in his paintings. I've always been fascinated by that. Of course, I also really liked Van Gogh, his paintings. And of course the sunflower painting by Vincent van Gogh. Of course I like sunflowers. Well, sunflowers are special to me because of my grandpa. I don't know how old I was, but he was so proud of some of the sunflowers he had growing in the backyard. And of course I adored my grandpa. He was really nice and sweet to me. I don't think he liked my brothers as well. I'm not sure. But of course, that was a different time and age. That was a long time ago. And people raised children differently than what they do now. And I raised my children differently, or at least I tried to, than the way I was raised. I believe each generation tries to improve in what they think is an improvement, which sometimes it may be, it may not be. I do not know. You know, at one time I thought I had a lot of answers to things. Now, the older I get, the more I'm learning I really don't have an answer for everything. I may think I have the right answer, but do I? Oh, goodness, I could say a particular word, but I won't. Well, I don't know. I like that word. I just have to say, oh, hell no, I did not know everything I thought I knew. I thought I could make all kinds of great decisions, and they would be fantastic. And you know what? I made decisions, but they weren't really the best decisions at all. But I learned as I go. What is it? There's a deal that I'm trying to remember. Of course, I cannot take credit for this saying. It is what? Oh, when you're in school, you learn the lesson, and then you take a test to see how much you learned. However, in life, you take the test, and then you learn the lesson, which perhaps I retain those lessons better than I did in the ones in school. I'm not sure where I'm going. I'm just driving. Let's see, where am I? I am driving east, and I am on, what is it? I'm on 82nd Street, and what is the cross street up here? Looks familiar. Oh, it's University. Okay. So if we keep going down University this way, we will be out of town. We'll hit one of the highways. I'm just looking around. There's not much for you to see here, so I will turn around up here at the light probably and go a different direction. It's very exciting to have some rain. And a light rain, not these heavy downpours. I don't like the heavy downpours because the water just runs off and it doesn't soak into the ground well. Oh, well, this is a good spot to make a U-turn. Then I think I'll go back to, hear that engine? She does get up and go. It could get me into trouble. Just because I like to hear that. Hear that sound. Hey, I believe when I get up here to University, I believe I'll go north a little bit and then go back home because it's what? It's getting late. What time is it? Oh, it's 9:40. It's almost 10 o'clock. Almost 10 o'clock. The traffic is very light. Of course, it's a Sunday night. I don't know how the traffic usually is. This maybe because it's raining, it's not as heavy. Yesterday, had a lot of things. Oh, there's an ambulance or a fire truck. Anyway, they send the first responders of the fire. Oh, I better pull over. They're headed this way. Oh, it's not paying attention. I should have pulled over and stopped. See, the loop is right up there where that next set of lights are. There's a shopping center over here to the left. Let's see, there's a medical center and a liquor store and Cricket and Fast Eddie's. And I want to say, I think Battery Joe is in that shopping center. And is Cash America there? Let's see, Cricket. Yeah, Battery Joe, Little Caesars. Yes, Cash America. And Relaxing House. Fast Eddie's. I went into Fast Eddie's with a girlfriend of mine. And her two friends. So I found out about Fast Eddie's. I didn't know what Fast Eddie's was. I've never been there, never really heard about it. Of course, I'm an old woman. These people are young. What it is there's a lot of games in there. They have lots and lots of pool tables, which pool is fun to play. When I was growing up, I thought the pool halls were, I wasn't supposed to go in any of those when our small town, because I guess there was a lot of drinking in the pool halls, and there was a lot of smoke, and just men hanging out there. And I was told to stay away because I was a very young girl and lived in a small town, very small town, where you could walk from our house to downtown to the soda shop and back. Well, the rain's getting a little heavier, so I believe I will find a place to end this so I can concentrate on driving, because the streets can get a little full. But I'm wishing everybody a wonderful week ahead. Have a good life. Enjoy your life. Enjoy it right now. This is what we have right now. Enjoy the simple things in life. I'm finding those are the best a lot of times. Like now, the one that's going to smell so good outside, the smell of rain. Whew, that's such a clean, fresh smell. At any rate, I'm going to tell everybody good night. Have a wonderful night. Bye.